Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Andrea. I just filmed this makeup look. I was inspired by this picture that I found on Twitter. It's just right up on my alley. The sunset colors, yellow, orange, purple, pinks. It just looks so beautiful. I wanted to use some glitter and some gold foil. So yeah, if you are interested in learning how I created this beautiful sunset summer glam, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And your girl is new, so I'm trying to get those subscribers up. But yeah. So I already prepped my eyelids. I'm using the Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer. And then I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to use my face powder and I'm going to apply it all over my lid just to set the eyeshadow and act as a base for the rest of the colors that we do apply. And now with the Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to take the Lunar Beauty palette in the color Campy. And I'm just gonna start applying that in my crease, and it's gonna be our transition shade. With the Morphe M433 brush, I'm gonna take my Morphe 35C palette and I'm gonna dip into this orange, and I'm gonna put it right under that yellow that we just applied. And then with that same M433 brush, I'm going to dip into this fuchsia color, also from the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to pack it onto my lid, and then I'm going to blend it out. A little bit more of that fuchsia color and just making it a lot more brighter. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this color called Snatched from the Life's a Drag palette, and I'm gonna apply it on the inner and outer corners of my eye, because we're going to create a sandwich halo eye. I always like to add as I go. I never start off with a lot of color, because then you'll just be sitting here blending for a really long time. And I'm going to take my MAC 221 brush and dip into that orange and just make sure that we are nice and blended upwards. And then I'm going to take that Snatched color and mix it with this color called Trade on the inner and outer corners, just to give it some depth. I'm going to take the M433 and just make sure that everything's blended. So now I'm taking some concealer. This is just the LA Girl concealer, and I'm going to start carving out my crease. And then with a Morphe MB26 brush, it's very thin. It's great for detail. I'm taking a little bit of that Snatched and Trade color, and I'm just gonna reinforce it. And taking my MAC 221 brush and blending it out. With that same brush, I'm taking that Snatched shade and I'm going to apply it where the concealer meets the darker color. And I'm going to take that same color and apply it in our inner corner. And then with a clean brush, just blending and like kind of tugging it inwards. Now I'm taking the Cakeface color from the palette, and with a eyeshadow brush, I'm just gonna apply it right in the center. And I'm taking the MAC 221 brush and just making sure that everything is blended out. I am gonna take some of this NYX gold liner, and I'm gonna apply it in the center of my lid. I'm gonna take the Morphe detail brush, and I'm taking the color Beat, and I'm applying it right over top, just to blend out that glitter. I'm taking a little bit of my concealer, and I'm gonna apply it right here in the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm gonna apply some of that Campy shade. And you will see it right now. But we're taking that Campy color and then packing it in my inner corner. I'm gonna take my Morphe MB26 brush, the color Snatched, and start dragging the shadows that we use on top on the bottom. I'm going to blend it out with the MAC 221 brush. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the Trade color and put it like as closest to my lash line as possible. Now grabbing some of the orange shade with the brush that we use in our inner corner, and just gonna take it right under those two colors. I'm taking the yellow Campy color and putting it right under, just to finish things up. So now for the fun part. When I say I'm extra, I'm not playing. I'm gonna take the NYX gold liner, and I'm gonna take some gold foil that I already ripped up in little pieces, and I'm gonna create this kind of liner situation. But first what I do is I create the line with the glitter, and then really fast. It's kind of a tedious step, but it works. I'm gonna take gold foil and stick it on with tweezers. I'm gonna apply some of that Glow Getter from the Anastasia highlighting palette and just pop it in the inner corner and apply our mascara. So for the lashes, I'm going to be using MB lashes in the style Stellar. They look like this. So cute. So that completes this look. I really like it. Bitch. Like, why? So upsetting. If that ever happens to you, just go ahead and let it dry, and then with the spoolie, scratch it off.
I can't tell, there's a fucking mirror in my face.
Okay, you can move in there. Am I in focus?
Yeah, you're in focus, literally. God.